Hey, this is Brian with the Seat Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to modify our new Durafoam Top Foam cushion for the Chevy or GMC. This will actually run from 07 through 2009, so before the airbag, for the side impact airbags were built into the seats. So our mold for the foam was made for the vehicles with the airbag. I'm going to show you how to convert it to a foam that works without the side impact airbags. So here's the new cushion. This is an OEM cushion, and this is our Durafoam cushion. So this is a foam that does not have the airbag. It's not for a seat without a side impact airbag. There's just solid foam all the way down the middle and down the sides. And if we look at a foam for an airbag, there's a big pocket on this left side or the side facing the door. So this is a driver's side top foam, and this is where the void is. So there's a part of the seat frame that has it's a big pocket, plastic pocket that has the airbag inside of it. So we got to fill this void in some to be able to use it for a truck without the side impact airbag. It's pretty easy to do. So what we have is some extra foam that's going to go down into this pocket. So this is a peel and stick layer here. So you will get two pieces, just like this piece and this piece. These will line up. You can follow the curvature here. So peel off the white deal there, so now it's sticky, and then this will stick down on top of that. Just follow the curve all the way around, and that gives you this piece. So now we got a single piece. We'll peel this off, or we're going to stick it into here. Let me show you something on the front. So there's a slit that's coming down through here. This is a real thin layer of foam that's kind of holding these together. When you get your new foam, you may not see it actually split apart. We've been messing around with this one a little bit, so it's opened up a little bit. But if it is torn all the way open, that's just fine, because you're going to need it that way when you're putting it all together. But there's a little slit there. On the back side is where we're going to put the foam through. So this edge here, we need to line up. So this outer edge is going to line up with this edge right here. And your good visual spot to line up is going to be this curve, because this curve is going to match that curve. I'm sorry, right here. This curve here will match this curve. That's how that's going to line up, like that. So we're going to stuff this guy down in, give you an idea, then we'll peel off the sticky edge. So that's how it's going to line up, like that when we peel it. So it's hard to get it to stuff all the way through if the front of the foam isn't split open, if that edge isn't opened up, because you want to get it all the way through and stick on. Then afterwards we're going to glue this, pinch this seam back together. So let's go ahead and take this, peel this off. And this stuff you can readjust as long as you hadn't really smashed it and pushed it hard together. So we can start kind of tuck it down in here. And as long as we don't push it real hard, it's not going to bond really tight. There we go with that. And I'm going to kind of work my way. See, I can still peel it apart a little bit and kind of reset. There we go. Then along the way. Okay, sweet. Now I'll mash that together. All right. Now you'll want to have some spray adhesive. This is a 3M, the Super 77. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. You can buy it on Amazon. But get a can of this spray adhesive, because you need to bond this side of the foam here with the cushion. So I would spray glue all in this cavity here on both the white foam here and the dark charcoal foam here. Get that covered up, and then you want to pinch these together. You want to seal those together so they are coming through about the same level. The top of this is kind of with the level of this little run right here. So when they're together, you want it to be about like that. So hit it with glue and then pinch it all together like that, and just hold it tight till it seals up. You want that to bond really well before you put it back on the frame and put your cover back on it. Once that's attached and that's glued on, flip over to the front side, we need to seal this up as well. So I would spray both sides on the kind of on the inside if you can. Spray your spray adhesive there, and you can spray some on the front face of the charcoal foam sticking through, and then you want to pinch these together. So when you pull this together, just pinch it and hold it, and just work your way all the way down to pinch and close that seam back up. That's all you need. So with the like a Super 77, something like that, you can spray it on there, let it dry a little bit to get more tacky, and then come through and keep pinching it. If you pinch it together and then it pulls right apart, just hang out a little bit. If you got a compressor, blow some air on it, so it just starts to dry some, it gets more tacky, and then start working your way down so it all seals up. Once that's sealed up, you're good to go. Put your cover on it. You're gonna have a brand new Durafoam cushion. It's gonna feel so much better. If you got any questions, give us a call, 214-710-2565, or hit us up on the website.